Hello, my name is Yuri Tatiana Ascanio, Task 5, Pronunciation Practice 1, Reading. Feature Protest. The protest lasts 1 week. The teachers want smaller classes and better money. They say that there must be more staff school. School say that there is not money. However, teacher that not believe that. They say that school spend the money on different things. 2. Minimal pairs. Cat, bat. White, wise. Right, round. Kate, night. Take, steak. Couch, cut. Pin, bit. Till, peel. Teach, pitch. They, pay. Vic, pick. Veal, peel. Duck, back. Date, bait. Tall, coal. Tool, tool. Cool. Tape, cape. Toad, coat. Thumb, gown. Tie, guy. Tap, gap. Tool, ghoul. Tack, gack. Table, gable. Thin, fin. Thin, feel. Till, fill. Tone, fun. Thick, big, Vic. Intonation and stress. Estimates with their stresses. Children like to play. The boys reading a book. The weather is going to change. Estimates with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letter very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Estimate with 5 stresses. Alex wrote the letter very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. A special question following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly, interesting. Politeness, reason, intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, reason, intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? question requires reason intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, reason, and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? At 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question, feeling, or reason intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't. Found is have they. You weren't late, were you? I should do it, should I? Common feeling intonation. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request, reason, intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences. Falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. Direct address. Reason intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumeration, reason intonation. I brought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. Where need paper, pens, and pencils? Response. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't, I didn't. Thank you.